able to move on from that. Away from that, the Automobile Association of Kenya is celebrating 100 years of motoring excellence. AA, Kenya's dedicated service over the years, has set them apart as authorities in matters road safety and providers of quality service. For AA Kenya, these centenary celebrations marks the beginning of yet another century of excellence in motoring.
You just go in, eh? If you're going.
Mr. President and ladies and gentlemen, the members of Governing Council, we are here today to unveil the Galton Fancy Monument.
As mentioned, we are here to unveil this monument, which marks our